Ciao Tesla people, I wanted to check if the UI bug that I found a couple of months ago is still there with the latest software update. So right now I'm on software update 2024.44.3.1. I updated yesterday. And so the issue is about, so the climate control UI panel covers the wipers panel, okay? And let me show you. So if I have a climate control on and I push the wipers, nothing happens, but the wipers control is underneath, okay? So if you're driving and the climate control covers basically the wipers, and you can do anything about it but just pull it down. If you see, it's supposed to do this, you know, if you're on wipers, climate control goes on top. If I push again the wipers, it should be on top, or maybe this goes down, okay, one of the two. And I can show you if I use another app like Spotify, in this case the Energy, and I pull up the climate control panel and then I push the wipers control underneath, okay? But I cannot use it because the climate control is on top of it, okay? Now some people said, well, you can pull it down and it's there. Yeah, but the wipers, you need it when it's raining and you need it when you're driving. So usually what's supposed to happen, anytime you pull up an app, the previous panel of another app or whatever control should go down, should disappear. So you have the new app on top of it, on top of the stack. In software development, this is normal. So if I push a panel control, if I push the wipers, should be on top, or this goes down and it will show up here on the main menu, like this, okay? Like this, okay? So that's a bug, and unfortunately Tesla didn't fix it yet. I'm going to make this video, post it, and tag maybe Tesla and some other people, and see if this issue will be resolved on next software update. Please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, turn on notification, and if you're buying a Tesla, please use my referral. In the US, you save $2,000. In EU, you save 500 euros. Pretty good. So I'll see you next video. Ciao.